Hello and welcome to another video.
I fall in love to Italy.
Today we're going to be making pincushions. It's a household item that a lot of people either have, and it's one of those regular little pumpkin things. Pumpkin. Tomato. Tomato. They're pretty standard, but they're also pretty boring and they look pretty vintage, and not in a good way. So here's a super simple, quick way to make a pincushion in about 5 minutes. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe because I know for a fact that 70% of you watch my videos but are not subscribed. Well, let's get into the video.
First, you'll need to cut out something resembling a circle in the fabric of your choice. Next, you'll need to find something you can use as stuffing. In my case, I have this old blanket that's made of wool that is just completely falling apart. I may or may not have disassembled it in the past to stuff other things. If you're working with a wool like mine, then you'll need to pull it apart for maximum fluffiness. Now you can place your fluff inside your misshapen circle, and we're gonna sew that all together. It doesn't matter what color thread you use because you won't be seeing it in the end, but just in case, you could probably use one that blends in. And you'll need about 1 arm's length of thread. So make sure you have quite a bit on that needle. If you're new to sewing, you're going to want to double knot this because this is the knot that's going to hold everything together. We're going to start by folding over the edge of the fabric and sewing from the inside so that that knot we just made is not seen on the outside. So we're going to keep threading the needle back and forth until we've gone all the way around the piece of fabric. Traditionally, you would sew a piece of fabric over the pincushion's hole, but because I'm lazy and I wanted to make this quickly, I decided I was just going to cut out a little piece of fabric and stick it in there, and honestly, no one would be able to tell the difference. And the finished product kind of looks cool. Once you have attained the most aesthetically pleasing look for your hole, it's time to sew it up.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe, share it with your friends, comment down below on what you want to see. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.